Welcome to the Clover multi-location dashboard, where you can manage your entire enterprise from one login. Dive into the sales report for a high-level overview of revenue performance. The sales report shows gross sales, net sales, amount collected, discounts, refunds, and hourly trends with easy-to-read charts. Customize your report using the provided filters. You can filter by date range, view reports using custom dayparts, and view all or specific locations using custom groups. Filtering by city, state, and zip code on the Clover multi-location dashboard transforms a mountain of data into actionable regional insights. The item sales report serves as a centralized dashboard for tracking product performance across an entire business group. This report aggregates sales data from multiple storefronts into a single view, allowing you to monitor gross and net sales and inventory movement in real time. It is designed to bridge the gap between what we sold and how much we actually earned. The employee sales report helps you understand how your staff is performing across all your business locations. It moves beyond just total sales to show you exactly who is driving your revenue. It is a consolidated report that tracks every transaction back to the specific team member who handled it. In a multi-location setup, you can see this data for one specific store or aggregate it to see your top performers across the entire company. The Saved Reports feature is a major time saver for business owners who find themselves running the same complex reports every week. Instead of manually reapplying filters every time you log in, you can bookmark your specific setup for one-click access. It turns a 5-minute task of clicking filters into a 5-second task. This ensures you're looking at the exact same data points every time, making your week-over-week comparisons more accurate. Managing items in a multi-location setup can feel like a game of whack-a-mole, but the Clover multi-location dashboard is built to give you back that time and control. It allows you to manage your entire catalog from one place, while still giving you the flexibility to treat each store as its own unique entity. You can add, edit, or delete an item once and push that change to every location instantly. No more logging into 5 different dashboards to change the price of a latte. Even if you manage items centrally, you can toggle specific details. If your rent is higher at your downtown location, you can set a higher price for the same item there, while keeping it lower at your suburban shop. You can track stock levels across all sites. If Store A is low on a popular item but Store B has plenty, you'll see it instantly and can move stock rather than placing a new order. The Employees feature in the Clover multi-location dashboard allows you to manage everyone, from your managers to your part-time staff across all your storefronts without needing to be physically present at each location. What this feature does, instead of setting up an employee 5 times for 5 different stores, you can manage their entire work identity from one spot. You can control what they can see, what they can do, and how they log in. Whether you have 2 locations or 20, Clover gives you the bird's eye view you need to make smarter decisions, save hours of admin time, and finally see your business as one unified success story.